Drums returned to Edinburgh Fringe following sellout runs last year and across the globe, and we were given the chance to see them rehearse and experience this unique sound.
The Fringe is world famous. That's why we wanted to come here.
Well, Hibiki's performance is particularly unique, and lots of people may think that drumming is just jamming, sort of quite noisy sound. But actually, once you watch their performance, then you would be surprised because you wouldn't see how creative and how innovative Japanese type of drumming could be. So it's really unique. For Hibiki, this is their second year to perform here. I think they know what kind of things should be expected, so I think their performance is even better, far better than last year, and very rich in the content as well. Hibiki's performance is very interesting, and they combine traditional one as well as very contemporary modern music. Japanese drumming is quite common in a way that lots of people play at Japanese traditional festivals. Also, there's a new movement, can be more sort of artistic. So I'm very sure you will enjoy their sort of exciting artistic performance at the Fringe Festival.
There's still loads to keep you busy here in Edinburgh, but if Japanese drums aren't your thing, then here's some suggestions.
Yep, we wanted to give some airtime to acts so they could plug their own shows. Take a look at these shameless puns.